Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, February 1st, 2023. Please stand to join me for a Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather is a high of 65, low of 55, cloudy with a low chance of rain. Today's birthday is Morgan Breland. Happy birthday, Morgan. Announcements. Today is World Read Aloud Day. Please check your email from Miss Mullen to see your class pairings and times. Late duty today is Miss Sunstall, tomorrow Miss Moore, and Friday Miss Bertolino. We have our February attendance incentive. School attendance is very important. During the month of February, we will have an attendance incentive in which the classes on each grade level will compete against each other to see who can have the most students at school the most amount of time. Each day, the class will mark the number of students that are tardy, absent, or have early dismissals. At the end of the month, the class with the lowest number of tally marks will earn an ice cream sundae party. There will also be a reward for any students that have no tardies, no absences, and no early dismissals for the month of February. So make sure your chart is posted outside your door so that all your other classes can see your competition. And we need our Shepherd Scholars here every day, all day, to be the best that we can be. So go out there, get here every day on time, and earn that ice cream party for your class. Important dates. Today's World Read Aloud Day. February 2nd, we have the ACAP Science Refresher virtual meeting for our 4th grade teachers with a stipend. February 3rd is the PACE 3rd grade field trip. February 7th, we have tutoring begins. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 16th, Michael Green the Science Machine. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. And March 7th, spring pictures. Send us your questions. If you have a question, you can submit it to the question box in the library. Our question of the day: when was the first Mardi Gras parade in Mobile, Alabama? Emily researched this and found that the first Mardi Gras parade in Mobile was hosted on February 25th, 1868. A parade of wagons made their way down the street to where the festival ball was being held. So that was the first Mardi Gras parade way back in 1868. And we'll have a few more Mardi Gras parades going on in town as this month continues. So something fun to look forward to. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.